Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create and share a Canva template link. This is a great way to let others use your design and collaborate easily. Now, on your Canva dashboard, if you want to create a template, all you have to do is click the Share button in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once you're here, just click the template link. But before you use this template link, make sure you already have a business plan, because all these features are only available for the business plan. As you can see, if you click this option, it's for Business or Canva Pro. Once you already have that, just click this and click again, and it will generate a link. You can send this link to someone you want to collaborate with, and that's how you create and share a Canva template link. With this simple method, you can quickly share your designs and make collaborations much easier.